The world of smartphones is constantly evolving, and the latest trend in the market is foldable phones. Foldable phones are becoming increasingly popular, and several big brands have launched their versions of these innovative devices. But which foldable phones are the best in the market? In this video, we'll take a look at the top 5 best foldable phones that are making waves in the market right now. So sit tight and get ready to explore the world of foldable phones. Starting at number 5, we have the Oppo Find N2 Flip. The Oppo Find N2 Flip is a true marvel of technology, boasting several key features that put it ahead of its competitors, including the Samsung Flip 4. Its clamshell foldable design is sleek and modern, and the display crease is so minimal that it's almost imperceptible. Plus, with a whopping 50-megapixel main camera and a 1/1 56-inch sensor size, this phone takes mobile photography to a whole new level. But despite these impressive specs, the Find N2 Flip still falls slightly behind the Flip 4 when it comes to overall polish and user experience. Samsung software is known for being more optimized for Western users, and the Flip 4 comes with built-in support for all of your favorite Google apps. Additionally, the Flip 4 has an official IP water resistance rating, which gives users peace of mind when using their phone in wet environments. One other issue with the Oppo Find N2 Flip is that it's not widely available in North America, and rollout in other regions can be patchy at best. Nevertheless, if you're lucky enough to get your hands on one of these cutting-edge devices, you're sure to be blown away by its power, performance, and style. Next on the list is the Samsung Z Flip 4. This clamshell-style foldable phone folds up into a compact little square, measuring just 84.9 x 71.9 x 17 millimeters when closed. It's small enough to fit comfortably in any pocket, including those tiny breast pockets on jackets and shirts. But don't let its small size fool you. When you unfold the Galaxy Z Flip 4, you're greeted with a stunning 6.7-inch OLED display with a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. And when you're on the go and need to quickly check your notifications, the 1.9-inch outer screen has got you covered. Under the hood, the Galaxy Z Flip 4 packs a powerful punch with its Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor and 8 GB of RAM. Samsung has also made significant improvements to the software, allowing users to open any app on the outer covered display. While some apps may look a bit cramped, others are optimized to work seamlessly with the smaller screen. Of course, no phone is perfect, and the Galaxy Z Flip 4's small size means that it comes with a smaller battery, just 3,700 mAh. However, the new Qualcomm chip is highly efficient, so you shouldn't experience any major issues with battery life. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. If you are really interested in a high-end foldable phone and can't afford the best phone in this category, then you can consider the old Fold 3. While it may not be the latest and greatest, it still packs a punch and can be yours for a fraction of the cost. With a price tag hovering around $800, $900 on Amazon, or $1,080 at Best Buy, the Fold 3 is a steal compared to the newest models on this list. And if you're willing to go the second-hand route, you can snag one for even less. Despite being a slightly older model, the Fold 3 still holds up in 2023. Its display is almost identical to that of the Z Fold 4, and the hinge mechanism and S Pen support are virtually indistinguishable. The only significant difference is in the chipset, as the Fold 3 runs on the slightly older Snapdragon 888. But don't let that fool you. It's still plenty powerful and capable of handling all of your day-to-day tasks. The only area where the Fold 3 falls a bit short compared to the latest models is in its camera capabilities. Its trio of 12 megapixels cameras may not produce the crispest night shots, but unless you're a professional photographer, it's unlikely to be a deal breaker. At number 2, we have the exciting newcomer, Tecno Phantom V Fold. Tecno might not be a household name yet, but this up-and-coming Chinese brand has made quite a splash with its Phantom V Fold, a sleek and stylish foldable phone that's turning heads in the tech world. While Tecno has traditionally focused on affordable devices for emerging markets, the Phantom V Fold shows that the company is ready to compete with the big players in the high-end foldable market. From the moment you lay eyes on the Phantom V Fold, you can tell that it's a premium device. The back panel's unique texture, made from recycled plastic material, is a standout feature that feels as impressive as it looks. The aluminum alloy sides and hinge mechanism also add a nice touch of sophistication, and the outer screen is coated with tough Gorilla Glass Victus, which is always a plus. But what really sets the Phantom V Fold apart from the competition is its impressive displays. Both the interior and exterior screens boast a buttery smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, and the LTPO technology helps to conserve battery life. And speaking of battery life, the Dimensity 9000 Plus SoC keeps everything running smoothly, even if it's not the absolute latest and greatest chipset on the market. Of course, no high-end phone would be complete without a top-of-the-line camera setup, and the Phantom V Fold delivers in spades. The optically stabilized main camera is a standout performer, but the 50 megapixels 2x lens is no slouch either. The only minor downside is the 13 megapixels ultra-wide, which can struggle in low light conditions but still manages to impress when the lighting is just right. Perhaps the best thing about the Phantom V Fold, however, is its price. Starting at just $1,000, this foldable phone is an excellent choice for anyone who wants all the bells and whistles of a high-end device without breaking the bank. Finally, at number 1, we have the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. Samsung has truly outdone themselves with the Galaxy Z Fold 4. The company took everything that was already amazing about the Galaxy Z Fold 2 and 3 and managed to add even more polish and refinement. The result is a device that is sleeker, more powerful, and more versatile than any previous foldable. One of the most notable upgrades is the larger screen size, which Samsung accomplished by shaving off a few millimeters from the bulky hinge and giving those extra millimeters to the display. The difference is noticeable, particularly when typing on the outside screen. It feels more spacious and comfortable than ever before. The camera system is another significant improvement. The Fold 4 uses the same camera system as the non-Ultra Galaxy S22, with a 50 megapixels main camera and a 3x telephoto zoom lens that is much better than previous Folds. While it's not quite the absolute best camera system available, it's certainly close enough to be called flagship. Of course, the Fold 4 still boasts all the features that made its predecessors great. The sturdy hinge can stay in place mid-fold, which Samsung calls Flex Mode, and the device is water-resistant with S Pen support. No other foldable on the market can claim all three of these features. But perhaps most impressive is the intuitive software that allows for seamless multitasking. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 is still the best overall and most polished foldable phone around, and Samsung has truly raised the bar for what a foldable can be. What do you think about this list? Let us know down in the comments section.